Python list index method. The syntax of index method is index of x comma start comma end. 3 parameters are there, where x is the item that we would like to find the index of in the list. Index method returns the index of first occurrence of a given item x in the list. If start parameter is given, then the search for the item x in the list starts from this position. If end parameter is also given, then the search parameter for the item x in the list ends just before this position. Start and end parameters are optional. Also, you can specify the end position only if the start position is specified. Consider a list of items. When we call index method on this list and pass x as argument, then the method searches for the item x from the starting of the list, and when it finds the item x, it returns the corresponding index. If the item x is not present in the list, then index method raises value error. Now let us go through some examples where we find the index of a given item in a list, and also cover some examples on how to use start and end parameters. First example, take a list of strings with fruit names. Fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Consider that we have to find the index of banana item in the fruits list. Call index method on the fruits list and pass the banana item as argument. Print the index value to the output. The index method returns the index of banana item, which is 1. Let us take the fruits list such that there are 2 occurrences of the item banana. Fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry, banana. Consider that we have to find the index of banana item in the fruits list. Call index method on fruits list and pass the banana item as argument. Print the index to the output. The banana item is present at index values 1 and 3. But since the index method returns only the index of first occurrence of such item, the output is index is equal to 1. Now let us use start parameter. Give a start position of 2 to the index method as the second argument. Now the search begins from the given start position instead of starting of the list. Save and run the program. From the given start position, the banana item is present at index is equal to 3. Therefore, we get the output as index is equal to 3. Now let us specify the end parameter as well. Give an end position of 3 to the index method, which is the third argument to the index method. Now the search begins from the given start position and ends before the end position. Save and run the program. From the given start position and up to the given end position, there is no occurrence of banana item. Since there is no occurrence of the search item banana in the given range of indices specified by the start and end positions, index method raises value error. Value error is expected behavior. When index method does not find the search item, it raises value error. How to handle this value error? You can use try except and handle the value error in the except block. If the program control goes inside the except block, then it means that index method has not found the search item in the list in the specified range of indices. Thank you for watching the video. If you like our content, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions regarding the content in video, please leave a comment. Thank you.